What if you could create a full animated movie just by talking to AI?
For Arthur, regret was a language written but never spoken. Each letter, another ghost sealed in an envelope. That night, an old, forgotten mailbox seemed to call to him, promising an end to silence.
Believe it or not, this entire film was created by me using Flova AI. I didn't use complex software or professional animation tools. I simply talked to the AI like texting a friend, and it handled all the hard work for me.
He returned to the mailbox, drawn by a question he couldn't yet understand. It wasn't a message from the past he was trying to fix. It was a message from the future he was trying to save.
In this video, I'll show you one AI platform that does everything in one place. You don't need to use many different tools anymore. This single platform can create images, videos, music, and voiceovers for you. It uses powerful tools like Midjourney and Nanobanana Pro for images, VEO 3, Kling, and Sora for videos, Suno and Murica for music, and ElevenLabs for voice narration, all inside one system.
Do you think I'm dashing?
Dashing? More like crashing. My love, you are my love.
I'll test this platform live and show you every step from start to finish. You'll see exactly how this all-in-one AI workflow replaces traditional animation tools and allows anyone to create cinematic videos using simple chat command. Alright, first, go to the Flova AI website using the link in the description and create your account. Flova is the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. It lets you create cinematic short films just by chatting with AI. Once you log in, you will see a simple dashboard with some sample creations made with Flova. Now, look at the main creation area. Here, you will see a space where you can add a prompt to create a video. You also have options to upload text, audio, and images. Now, let's talk about AI models. Flova gives you access to many popular AI models in one place. For images, you can use models like Midjourney, Seedance, and Nanobanana Pro. For videos, there are models such as VEO 3, Vidu, Wan 2.5, Sora, and Kling. For music, you can use Suno. And for voice or narration, you can use ElevenLabs. The big advantage here is that you don't need separate tools. Everything works together inside Flova. In addition to that, Flova also has special skills that improve how your video looks. For example, Sora 2 Rich Multi-Shot Playthrough creates 8 to 12-second shots, and each shot can include multiple camera cuts. Another skill connects scenes smoothly, where the last frame of one shot becomes the first frame of the next shot. This makes your video feel more cinematic and less robotic. Now, let's move on to the most important part, the prompt. Of course, you can use a very simple prompt because Flova uses AI to automatically generate and optimize the script for you. However, to get a better story and clearer results, I use ChatGPT to help me create a strong prompt. So, go to our Discord server, copy the story idea prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Here, you can make small changes to match the kind of video ideas you want. Once ChatGPT gives you several story ideas, choose one that you like the most. Next, copy the second prompt, called the cinematic storyboard prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, take the story idea you selected and paste it into the prompt area. After that, ChatGPT will create a full, detailed storyboard for a 1 to 2 minute video, including scene-by-scene explanations of what happens in each part of the story. Once that is done, copy the full storyboard and paste it into Flova AI. Now, it's time to choose your models. For image creation, I selected Nanobanana Pro and Seedream 4.5. For video creation, I used VEO 3.1 Fast. For music, I selected Suno. And for narration, I used ElevenLabs. Keep in mind, you can change these models later during the creation process if you want to experiment or improve the result. Next, select the skills you want to utilize in your video. When everything looks good, simply click Generate. Now, the AI video agent starts working. First, the agent notices a small problem in my settings. Here's what happened. I selected VEO 3.1 Fast for video creation, but I also turned on Sora 2 Advanced Workflow. The problem is that Sora 2 Advanced Workflow only works with the Sora 2 model, not VEO 3.1 Fast. Because of this conflict, the AI stops and asks me what I want to do next. The agent gives me 3 simple options. The first option is to use Sora 2 Advanced Workflow with the Sora 2 model to create the video. The second option is to use VEO 3.1 Fast for video creation, but without the Sora 2 Advanced Workflow. The third option is a mixed option, where Nanobanana Pro is used for images, and the AI chooses the best video model for each scene. For this project, I choose option 2, which means I continue using VEO 3.1-Fast. I just type option 2, and the agent keeps working. After that, the AI creates a general plan for the video based on my script. This plan includes things like the visual style, video speed, sound design, video length, screen size, and who the video is made for. Next, the agent moves to the planning stage. Here, it starts building the storyboard and planning each step of the video. At this point, it only creates text descriptions and prompts, not final images or videos. This is helpful because I can review everything before moving forward. Then, the agent plans how the visuals will be created. It prepares detailed prompts for the main characters and for every scene and shot in the story. These prompts will later be used to generate the final images and videos. Finally, the AI shows me the characters it created and gives me 3 more options. If I want to change anything, like the character's face, clothes, or style, I can tell the agent here. Since everything looks good, I choose option 2, which tells the agent to start creating images for all the scenes. After that, the agent automatically generates images for scene 1, including all the shots. As you can see, the images are high quality and the characters look consistent in every shot. This consistency is very important for storytelling because it makes the video feel professional. At the end of this step, the agent gives me 3 new options again. Option 1 is to generate images for scene 2. Option 2 is to generate videos using the images from scene 1. Option 3 is to generate background music. I choose option 1 because I want to create and review all the scene images first before moving on to animation or audio. So the agent then generates images for scene 2, and you can see that the characters are still perfectly consistent. Also, there is an option to download each image individually or regenerate the image. Now, I repeat the same steps for every scene until all the images for the entire story are complete. Alright, now all our images are ready. Before we start animating, you can still make changes to your story at this stage. If you want to add a new scene, modify an existing one, or even remove a scene, you can do all of that very easily. For example, if I want to add a new scene, I first go back to ChatGPT. I ask it to add a new scene between scene 4 and scene 5, and then I clearly describe what I want to happen in that scene. ChatGPT will generate a detailed scene breakdown, explaining what happens in each shot. Next, all I need to do is copy that new scene description and give it to the AI agent, along with a simple instruction like, add this new scene to the storyboard. The agent then updates the storyboard automatically and generates images for the new scene. Once all scenes are finalized, we can start animating the images. To do that, I type, animate the scenes and start with scene 1. The agent then begins animating all the images in scene 1. As you can see, the results look smooth and cinematic. I repeat this same process for all the remaining scenes until the entire story is animated. After the animations are complete, I ask the agent to create background music for the video. The agent generates 2 music options using Suno AI, and I simply choose the one that fits the mood of my story the best. Next, since this video doesn't have a narrator yet, I then ask the agent to generate a narrator voiceover for the story. The agent creates the voiceovers automatically, matching the tone and pacing of the video. Once everything is ready, I select option 3, which tells the agent to assemble a full draft of the film using all the files we created. When this process is finished, I can preview the final video directly in the timeline. As you can see, Flova AI also provides a simple built-in video editor. This editor is more than enough for basic edits. You can adjust the timing of shots, change music volume, trim clips, and drag videos or audio files directly on the timeline. When you're fully satisfied, you can export the project in multiple formats. You can download the fully edited video, or you can choose to receive all the individual assets. And here's one of the most powerful features. You can export a ready-to-edit project for Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. This means you can open the project directly in your favorite professional editing software and continue working without starting from scratch. And here is the final result.
For Arthur, regret was a language written but never spoken. Each letter, another ghost sealed in an envelope. That night, an old, forgotten mailbox seemed to call to him, promising an end to silence. morning, a reply. A single sentence that would change everything. Hope, once a distant memory, now became his guide. He started to mend the bridges he had long thought burned. And in his sleep, a vision of what could be. A world painted in the colors of a life fully lived.
My love, you shine like stars. Distorted, fragmented singing.
He returned to the mailbox, drawn by a question he couldn't yet understand. It wasn't a message from the past he was trying to fix. It was a message from the future he was trying to save. With the weight of regret lifted, he walked into a new dawn. No longer a prisoner of his past, he finally understood.
As you can see, the final video looks amazing. In my opinion, this platform is perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. If you're someone who already uses different animation tools, this will speed up your workflow. And if you're a beginner with no experience in animation or filmmaking, this tool makes the process easy to understand and use. The best thing is that everything works through simple chat. You just type what you want, like creating scenes, changing characters, adding music, or animating videos. You don't need technical skills or professional experience. This makes the whole process easy and helps you finish your project faster with just a few clicks. If you want to try this tool, use the special invitation link in the description. With this link, you can start using the platform right away. You'll get 1,000 free credits when you sign up, plus 500 free credits every week. You can also earn 300 extra credits for every friend you invite. This gives you plenty of credits to test the platform and create your own videos. On the home page, you can also watch videos made by other users. This helps you see the quality and get ideas for your own videos. That's all for today's tutorial. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.